Okay, today we are gonna smoke some sausages in our Broaster Smokaroma pressure smoker. The smoke time on sausages is around 30 minutes, but we are actually gonna do a cold smoke on them for about 30 minutes to get that smokiness to permeate the skin and hopefully make the sausage a lot more smokier. The Smokaroma is a great piece of equipment to add to any kitchen. It's not just barbecue joints. If you were doing a taco shop, you would add it to make the meats in your taco. You can smoke anything from, turkey and chicken. It's going to be about a 45-minute smoke time. Ribs about 50 minutes, and then brisket and pulled pork in under 3 hours. It's just a great piece of equipment, whereas traditionally, chicken would take 4 hours, pulled pork and brisket would take 12 hours. It also uses only about 4 ounces of wood chips per cycle. So there's a ton of wood savings there. It's a great piece of equipment to add to any kitchen. If you're fine dining, you can smoke rabbits, you can smoke a lot of lean meats that you traditionally couldn't smoke in a regular smoker. These sausages are store-bought. We did not make them ourselves. We're not doing anything special to them except to do the cold smoke beforehand to get a lot more of that smokiness in there, since the smoke time on these sausages are only 30 minutes. Alright guys, well, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're dropping our sausages in. And we're going to do a cold smoke like I said earlier. So we're going to put the lid on. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the switch over here for cold smoke. I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes. You'll notice that the cold smoke light comes on, but the heat on light doesn't come on. So what this means is the walls on the smoker is not actually heating up, it's just building up smoke to smoke it. And then I'm going to come back and then set the timer without the cold smoke on, and then heat up the walls, and that'll give us pressure to build, and then it will start cooking the sausages. Okay, so our sausage is done. Let's choose a random sausage. And nice and juicy, nicely smoked all the way, very smoky. Yeah. And that only smoked we did a cold smoke for about 30 minutes, and then we cooked them for about actually 25 minutes, hot smoke. Yeah, it's a great machine for smoking anything, but sausage in particular, amazing. You can see nice and moist still, not dry, and very well done, very smoky. Alright, thanks for joining us guys. Have a great day.